humahanap ng paraan para maisara itong mga illegal na ito. Kami po ang role namin tumulong lang to identify. At doon, hopefully, ay sila na po ang makakapagpasara nung nasabing mga illegal sites na ito.
Since nabanggit nyo po na kasama sa tungkulin nyo po yung pag-identify ng mga kumpanya na illegal ang online gambling operations nila, let me know if any of these companies sound familiar po. You may have investigation already into it. VShow, which is a corporation operating an online platform or application known as Popo Live.
Illegal po yan.
Yes. Another is FM1039 Company Limited, operating under the application of Bolo Pro.
Illegal din po yan.
Another operating is Tap Vone, application operating in the Philippines under the name of Vone.
Illegal din po yan.
Another is Yulo Network Technology, operating under the application of or platform of Awas.
Illegal din po.
Another company is Sinin Technology Corporation Limited, operating as an online live platform called Nikki Live.
Illegal po.
Another is Bit Hong Kong Limited, under the online application of Gem Gala.
Illegal po.
X Travel Entertainment Limited, operating under the name Hime.
Illegal po.
And last on this list is Party Joy Limited, operating under the application HiChat.
Illegal po.
Mr. Chair, are you aware that these companies continue to operate?
Yes, Congressman po. I had mentioned earlier, they are part of the close to 12,000 illegal sites that we have reported to the respective agencies and departments that I had mentioned earlier. And to the credit of these departments, the ICT, CICC, PNP Anti-Cybercrime, the NBI, they had put down 8,000 of the almost 12,000 illegal sites that we have reported to them.
Opo, napakaraming illegal online
Kaya
gambling
po yun ang
sites.
binabanggit ko, Congressman po. Natitiyak ko sa inyo, mas marami pong illegal kesa sa legal sa pangkasalukuyan. Kaya po yung nadidinig nating mga kapataang nalululon, mga na-addict, natitiyak ko po sa inyo dahil walang regulasyon ang mga illegal na mga kumpanyang ito, maliwanag po, yun po ang cost ng malaking problema ngayon ng online gaming industry dito po sa ating bansa.
Opo. The reason why I bring